My dear scholars, my dear researchers, speaking of the human relations school, while developing the management theories and considering the attitude and behavior part from psychology, or considering the mental model of the employees and giving importance to the mental schema, to the thought process of the employees who are working in the organization. We knew now that yes, organizations are important. Yes, their structures are important. Yes, the efficiency and productivity is important because naturally it leads to more profitability. And profitability is the concern of the investors and shareholders. लेकिन Professor Peter Drucker, being a social scientist or political scientist, turned into economist. He floated the idea that the employees, and especially those employees who are in the managing position, who are managing groups, who are managing factories, who are managing markets, who are managing finance, who are managing material and logistics. In other words, who are heads of different departments. So naturally, उनकी responsibility दूसरे workers की निस्बत ज्यादा होगी. So Peter Drucker floated the idea that instead of focusing on structures and strategies, managers must focus on the purpose of the organization. He had interest in those theories of organizations, which will give more importance to the role of manager. देखिए shift, emphasis shift हो रही है. Role of the organizations, role of production, role of products, role of profitability, role of efficiency से focus shift हो रहा है role of managers. What is the role of managers? How responsible, socially responsible they are, because they are human beings. They are leading not machines, not technology, not the walls of the organization. They are either leading employees, or they are leading customers of the organization, or they are leading citizens of the society. अगर हम पब्लिक सेक्टर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की, गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की बात करें. प्रोफेसर पीटर ड्रकर, वेरी इन्फ्लुएंशियल मैनेजमेंट स्कॉलर. अब उसके नाम पर ड्रकर सेमिनार, ड्रकर फोरम हर साल कंडक्ट होता है. ही इज नो लॉन्गर विद अस, बट ही हैज लेफ्ट many theories where he emphasized on objectives, that the management should be by objectives, MBOs. He deliberately switched focus away from the systems and from the organizations to those tasks which are being performed by managers. Are they good enough for employees? Are those tasks good enough for the customers? Beneficial for the customer? Yes, of course, they should be beneficial for the shareholders. So in other words, what is the purpose of the organization? And he warns the managers not to become heavily preoccupied with the structure, mechanistic versus organic, open versus closed, network versus mobile. किस किस्म का स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए? But his importance was that the most important question for you, Mr. Manager, is what kind of business are we in? Who are our customers? What kind of business should we be? How can we give better products. देखिए ये वो वक्त है early 60s, late 50s, when Second World War के बाद Japan is no longer visible in the industrial or manufacturing sector. So Peter Drucker is speaking to the American organizations, automobile organization, steel organizations, electronic organizations, electronic industry, and their managers. He emphasized that you should be personally responsible for all those actions and tasks and materials and methods and processes and the welfare of the employees, because you are their leader. अब leadership का concept emerge हो रहा है. You are leading them. You are leading the groups. And your efforts should have a real impact. Not only on the product or process, not only on the production, but also on the welfare and benefit of the employees. तो देखिए ना, मैनेजमेंट थ्योरीज के अंदर अब नए नए कॉन्सेप्ट इमर्ज हो रहे हैं. टेक्नोलॉजी भी आ रही है, सोशल एस्पेक्ट भी आ रहा है, ऑपरेशनल एस्पेक्ट भी आ रहा है, साइंटिफिक और मैनेजमेंट साइंस के कॉन्सेप्ट भी इमर्ज हो रहे हैं. एंड प्रोफेसर पीटर ड्रकर सेड, बाय डूइंग सो you will be propagating those kind of business leaders. और लीडरशिप का कॉन्सेप्ट पहली दफा अब मैनेजमेंट थ्योरीज के अंदर इमर्ज होने लगा है. Those kind of business leaders, they were becoming new standards for the incoming managers, incoming novice employees, and they could become the torch bearer of the social progress. तो इंडस्ट्री प्रोग्रेस के साथ, डॉलर की प्रोग्रेस के साथ, टेक्नोलॉजी की प्रोग्रेस के साथ, सोशल प्रोग्रेस भी उतनी ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, as argued by Professor Peter Drucker. Thank you.